Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Fidelity for Roth IRA contribution alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Fidelity website URL and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located in the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password into the designated fields. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab on the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Roth IRA. Once you are on your Roth IRA overview page, look for Account Settings. In the Account Settings, find the Alerts section. Click on the Alerts link to view available alert options. Look for the option related to contribution alerts. Select the contribution alert that fits your preference. Once selected, you will need to configure the alert settings. Choose how you would like to receive notifications, such as via email or text message. Input your preferred contact information if prompted. After configuring the settings, review your selections for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to confirm your alert preferences. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been successfully set up. Now, you are ready to receive notifications for your Roth IRA contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.